Find or read reviews that people are talking of AutoSky Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2022 Pro Edition for factory wired CarPlay cars, wireless CarPlay adapter. USB-A to USB-C and USB-A to USB-A cable, iOS 10 and up, wired CarPlay required. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose AutoSky Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2022 Pro Edition. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Finish. This wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone has a carbon fiber finish with a protective coat to protect it from scratches of daily use. Great for carbon fiber dashboards. Just like our other model, this CarPlay dongle works like magic. Equipped with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz module for the best connection and experience possible. The CarPlay adapter also comes with USB-A to USB-A cable extension for tight fit areas and a USB-A to USB-C cable for cars with car stereos who have USB-C ports. The AutoSky Pro Edition wireless CarPlay adapter connects quickly and automatically after pairing. All you have to do is pair it using Bluetooth and make sure you have your Wi-Fi settings turned on. With over 600 vehicle models compatible with the wireless CarPlay adapter, Pro Edition, please take a look at our compatibility list on our images to see if your car model and year are listed. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.